Hi, my name is Brian Shive. I'm project manager. This is the Top Golf project. We're in downtown Baltimore, Maryland, helping with the construction of the new Top Golf. This project involves four Keller scopes, rigid inclusions, which is for support of the grandstand structure of the Top Golf. We also have H piles, which are for support of a new stormwater culvert, as well as temporary sheet piles being installed for temporary shoring, also for the culvert, as well as wick drains, which are being installed in this tidal basin area to accelerate the consolidation when they raise the grade by about 15 feet. Overall, a very exciting, cool project for the city of Baltimore, and Keller's really offered a lot of value in being able to offer all the different techniques that the job needed.